There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of owning the perfect machine. Luckily, there are some machines that are going to blow you away with their design and function. We have made a list of all the machines that will make you look twice, so buckle up and get ready to be shocked. Number 8. SeaLegs 12RC. The SeaLeg 12RC is an impressive machine. According to SeaLegs, this amphibious boat is both beauty and beast, and they could not have been made more correct. The 12-meter-long SeaLegs 12RC is a monster craft with unequal size, power, and performance in the amphibious boat market. The vehicle is customizable to make sure every owner feels at home even in the water. To make sure you have an unforgettable time abroad, the boat can be tailored to meet your needs with up to 4 baths, a fully enclosed and lockable cabin with panoramic windows, dual retractable electronic sunroofs, a gallery with a stove, sink, and fridge, dining table, and a toilet. It is even fitted with a port dining area with a reversible forward seat for daytime cruising or entertaining. Like a true amphibian, the SeaLegs 12RC can travel effectively on water and land. The top speed on land is up to 8 kilometers per hour, and the top speed on water approaches 40 knots. SeaLegs is not your typical floating holiday home. It's not baked in suede and soft touches, but it's practical and well presented. From the generous cockpit to the modest cabin area, the SeaLegs 12RC immediately gives the impression of practical boating. Its large cockpit and functional design are spacious and purposeful, making it an all-rounder, just like this one. Number 7. Iguana Amphibious Boats. Boats are the perfect vehicle to own if you live near water. They make for the perfect recreational activity, not to mention the bragging rights. But how do you manage to take it into the water and back on land every time? That is surely a hassle everyone would want to avoid. The Iguana amphibious boats are the perfect solution to this problem. Now you don't need any special equipment for the boat, as this beast is equipped with tracks. The tracks are fully integrated with the amphibious craft to create a perfect hull. You can easily get your boat out of the water and onto solid land with the help of these tracks and their efficient design. The lightweight front of the boat makes it for easy landing, and the perfect streamlined shape makes your journey smooth and enjoyable. Be it soft sand, wet mud, or even rocks and pebbles, these boats will climb an incline of 22 degrees regardless of the surface. The Iguana boats are the perfect boats for your whole family, as they can easily accommodate 11 people and carry up to 16 tons of weight at a time. The two 300 horsepower engines at the back give it a shocking speed of over 56 miles an hour. But if you were looking for something more in the speed department, then this next vehicle will definitely meet your expectations. Number 6. Water Car H1. With so many amphibious cars out there, it's hard to stand out, but the Water Car H1 has managed to do that with its smart, slick, and efficient design. The heavy steel and cast iron parts used in typical vehicles are replaced with new lightweight aluminum alloy and stainless steel components. What's more, the Water Car H1 is fitted with chunky off-road tires, a waterproof interior, and a snorkel, and it has a ground clearance of up to 10 inches. Thanks to its powerful engine, the H1 Panther can reach 130 kilometers an hour on land and 35 knots, 64 kilometers an hour on water. To make it look like it belongs in the water just as much as on land, the rear section of the truck is polished to make it look like and feel like a yacht deck. Built to withstand the most brutal conditions, from the roughest terrains to the most challenging water conditions, this small water car is being called the most versatile amphibious vehicle in the market today. Number 5. High Rail Truck. The United States has the largest railway network in the world, stretching over 140,000 miles. How awesome would it be if your vehicle was able to utilize said rails? Thankfully, such a vehicle is already here. High rail trucks are dual-mode vehicles, which means they can operate on both railroad tracks and roads. In addition to their rubber tires, these trucks also have a set of flanged steel wheels that, when deployed, allow the vehicle to travel on railways. Depending on where you're driving the truck, propulsion may be generated by roadway tires or a hydraulic system. Much like a normal train, the flanged wheels are often free-rolling, which means directional control is contingent on rail construction, eliminating the need for steering. Don't worry about getting derailed either, because the steering locks will take care of that. What's interesting is that you don't even need to buy a new vehicle to make it a high rail. In fact, many custom vehicles also can be redesigned into high rail vehicles. Still, it's nothing compared to this next entry. Number 4. Kronos RMX2 Asmodeus. Looks like the new king of cars is here, because this car, the RMX2 Kronos, is everything you can ask for a supercar. This cross between the Batmobile and a Hummer offers supercar performance and speed comparable to a race car or badge truck. It can go anywhere and it's all-terrain with its unmatched luxury and available Kelvar reinforced armoring. The RMN X2 is offered with dual beaded lock rims and central tire inflation. It also comes with a part-time four-wheel drive system with either manual or electronic shift on fly. When all your four-wheel motivation options have been exhausted, it even has a retractable track at its bottom, and that will get you out of any unfortunate mishap while on the wild. Due to the compost construction and ultra-light suspension components, Ramsmobile says the vehicle will float. Sounds unreal, but hey, why not? The RMX2 Protos is hailed as the multi-purpose hypercar, and for once that seems like more than just marketing hyperbole, because this right here is a car from the future, just like this one. Number 3. Yang Wang U8. Yang Wang U8 might look like a normal high-end car, but it's anything but that. This car has some beautiful surprises waiting for you. Yang Wang U8 has a special model called the Off-Road Master that is designed to survive any calamity that might befall you during your trips in the wild. It has some extra and useful off-road add-ons like a tougher looking front bumper that extends towards the bottom of the car to protect any collision in the wild. It also features a snorkel and detachable roof rack with a smaller ladder on the side. The 5-seater has an astonishing speed of over 200 km per hour despite its big size and sturdy body. But these features aren't what makes the Yang Wang U8 so special, it is the fact that this huge vehicle can easily float on water. Like every good off-roader, U8 can wade, and that too up to 1400 mm thanks to the snorkel. The smart system of the car constantly monitors the environment and water depth. The emergency floating mode is automatically activated when the car gets into depth over the limit. When activated, the combustion engine will immediately shut down. DIS-P will raise the suspension to the maximum level, windows will be closed automatically, AC will be switched to internal circulation, and the sunroof will open, providing an emergency exit. There are other preset driving models as well, such as driving on ice, snow, wetlands, mud, etc. Another exciting feature about this car is its ability to rotate 360 degrees. Everyone knows the hassle of reversing a car through narrow spaces. Yang Wang U8 completely eliminates this problem, as you can completely and easily rotate the car 360 degrees without moving the vehicle. Have a flat tire? No problem, because this shocking car will continue to drive 75 miles per hour even with a flat tire. Quite useful, just like this next entry. Number 2. Load handler. If you have to transport loose, pedalized, or baggage material regularly, you'll be well aware of how difficult and time-consuming it can get. Thankfully, the load handler has it all handled. It has a low-friction, durable polymer fabric rolled onto the steel bar. This way, you can easily unload any and all heavy materials from your truck. Say goodbye to back pain and straining your back while shoveling with the load handler, and now, it's time for a number 1 pick. Number 1. Liftbox. Liftbox is easily the smartest electric distribution truck in the world that has completely reimagined urban transportation, making it easier and more efficient. The increasing lack of space for transport increases the need for efficiency and flexible use of small trucks in cities. With the Liftbox, transportation will be no longer a hassle. The whole premise of the Liftbox is its ability to save time, which isn't surprising considering it can easily lower its floor. In just 8 seconds, the ramp can be lowered or raised to loading dock height. Any cargo, no matter how small the wheels, can easily be loaded onto the truck, saving time on every single delivery. No more heavy lifting your cargo and climbing into a high Luton van. With the Liftbox, this will all be history. The loading floor lies fully on the ground, which results in less knee bending and overloaded joints. Liftbox specializes in modular chassis construction out of high-strength steel. This lightweight combination makes it all the more efficient as well as easy to drive. That's it from our side today, folks. We'll see you later.